Hey there, thanks for clicking. In today's video, we're breaking down some of the main changes coming to HISD's career and technical education, what's new and what families need to know, plus the Miles Ahead Scholars Program. Hear from two Kashmere seniors and why they say more students should join. Also, important reminders on a food giveaway, a teacher job fair, and much more. It is Tuesday, January 13th. Let's get started. Well, we recently shared news that HISD is expanding career and technical education programs, and today we're going over some of the main changes we want our families to be aware of. Now, starting next school year, students at 10 HISD high schools will have access to 16 additional programs of study through the Barbara Jordan Career Center. Now, that's our centralized CTE hub. That means more seats in high-demand programs, and students can start career training as early as 9th grade. Now here's how it's going to work. Students will start their day at their home campus. HISD will then provide district transportation to the Barbara Jordan Career Center 2 to 3 days a week. That includes transportation for special education students. And for families, responsibilities do not change. Now the goal is simple. Open more opportunities, reduce wait lists, and give our students access to state-of-the-art facilities and real-world career skills. Now, over the next few years, enrollment at the Barbara Jordan Career Center will grow to nearly 4,000 students while keeping class sizes small through staggered schedules. Now, if you want a deeper look into this expansion, we've got much more on our new HISD Now webpage. Go to HoustonISD.org and click on the HISD Now button right on the home page. Once you're there, you'll find the latest news from the district, full stories, our daily HISD Now videos, and an easy-to-use search bar to find any story. Be sure to bookmark the page so you stay in the know. A link to the page is below in the description of this video. And one of the schools benefiting from this CTE expansion is Kashmere High School, and we're spotlighting Kashmere all this week for Campus Close-Up. It's an NES campus in Northeast Houston that's proudly maintaining a B rating and going for that A. And Principal Brandon Dickerson tells us that while the focus is always on high quality instruction, building a strong school community takes time, dedication, and consistency. Kashmere High School, the Miles Ahead Scholars Program is helping. For today's news story, I'm introducing you to two Kashmere seniors who are part of the Miles Ahead Scholars Program. Find out how this program is preparing them for college and their careers, all for free. The story's up across all of our social media channels. Now to a few important reminders for our families. Any families needing any food assistance, our Marian Park Sunrise Center is inviting you to their first food drive of the new year. It's happening tomorrow, January 14th from 9 a.m. until noon. You're asked to please bring a reusable bag for your food items. And then on Thursday, we're having another teacher hiring event at the Wharton Dual Language Academy. It'll be from 5 to 7 p.m. Now, if you plan to attend, please register online. This is your chance to learn more about each open position, and qualified candidates will even get an interview on the spot. So make sure you come prepared. The link to register is again in the description of this video right below. Also on Thursday, it's our regular board meeting right here at Hattie May. The meeting starts at 5 p.m. and remember, it will be live streamed on our website. That's HoustonISD.org. As always, thank you for watching HISD Now, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.